Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about past ability. How to speak your past ability. How to express your past ability using different phrases. How to talk about your past ability by using different phrases. See, could, was able to, managed to. These are the different phrases you can use to talk about your past ability or your past achievement. Look at the example here. Valen could play keyboard when he was 10 years old. It means Valen was able to play keyboard when he was 10 years old. He had the ability to play the keyboard when he was 10 years old. Number 2, the boy wasn't able to catch his friend in a game. The boy wasn't able to catch his friend in a game. The dog managed to escape from the van. The dog managed to escape from the van. General ability. We use could or couldn't to talk about general abilities in the past. If you want to talk about your general abilities you had in the past, you can use could or couldn't. Example, Betty could dance before she went to school. It means Betty had the ability to dance before she went to school. Number 2, I couldn't cook until I got married. I couldn't cook until I got married. Number 3, when I lived next to the theater, I could watch movies every week. In the past, I lived next to the theater, so I had the ability to watch movies every weekend. These are the 3 phrases that we can use to express our past ability. In these 3 sentences, we talked about our general ability we had in the past. Now, ability on one occasion, that is successful ability. When we talk about achieving something on a specific occasion in the past, we use was able to or were able to. I was able to or they were able to. What does it mean? I was able to and they were able to mean I had the ability. See, we can also use managed to express our past ability on one particular occasion. Managed to means succeeded in doing something difficult. To express this situation, you can use managed to. Look at the example here. The thief was able to enter the house through the window. We used was able to. Here we have used was because the subject thief is singular. So we use the helping verb was. If the subject of the sentence is in plural, we have to use were able to. Look at this example. The thief managed to get in through the bathroom window even though it was locked. It was locked. It is a difficult task. Even though the bathroom window was locked, the thief managed to get in through the bathroom window. So, he managed to get into the house even though it was locked. So, we have used the phrase managed to. If the task was difficult in the past but we did it successfully, we use the phrase managed to. Ability on one occasion, unsuccessful. When we talk about a specific occasion when someone didn't have the ability to do something, use wasn't or weren't able to. Wasn't able to or weren't able to. Or didn't manage to or couldn't. These are the phrases we have to use to express our past unsuccessful ability. Wasn't and weren't able to is more formal than couldn't. While didn't manage to emphasize that the thing was difficult to do. In this class, we have dealt how to express our past ability using could, was able to or were able to, and managed to. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.